It's Thomas here. I'm here with Trevor. He's the brain of the whole 3D printing of this house here. Do all the programming.
Hey, you know, we have to give Frank some credit here. He's the one doing the real work. We're standing
Yes.
and letting Frank do the work behind us. But yeah, no, we're excited to see the progress we have so far. We just were able to print a little bit through the rain. That was interesting.
Oh, that's exciting to see. And you were printing at night last night as well.
Yeah. The good thing is the machine's quiet enough that at night we don't really disturb the neighbors.
Right.
So we're able to do that and keep everybody happy.
It's very exciting to be here on the site and very exciting to have Trevor to have a few minutes to talk to me and talk to us about this project. So what do you think of the project so far? Are we doing well?
Yeah, you know, so far we're making good progress. We're happy to have the machine and everything out. We were able to get the site prepared and ready. It is a tight lot with a lot of traffic around us, but despite some of those things, it was still very easy to get our bulk truck in, get the equipment in, and start printing. The floor plan's really great. We're excited to see this here in Melbourne. We definitely need a lot more of this type of housing.
For sure. It's amazing. You guys doing an amazing job for us. Thank you very much, Trevor.
Thank you, Thomas.
Very nice to have that.